Namaste student, myself Jven Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Basic of Bioscience Lab and today's session is to test the presence of urea in urine. In this we have two objective. First is reagent preparation and second is perform test. So in this, the aim is to test the presence of urea in urine. So the principle is urine is a liquid produced by the kidney to remove waste product from the bloodstream. Human urine is yellow in color and contain various chemical components. It primarily consists of water, organic substances such as urea, uric acid, trace amount of enzymes, carbohydrates, and hormones. The handling of urea by the kidney is an important part of mammalian metabolism. What are the materials required in this experiment? So these are urine sample, test tube, dropper, measuring cylinder, sodium hypobromide solution, and this is the material required, and the procedure is this of this practical is, first of all, take 2 ml of urine sample in a measuring cylinder from the urine sample bottle. Then take a test tube and pour the urine sample into the test tube. Using a dropper, take sodium bromide hyperbromide solution. Add few drop of sodium hyperbromide solution to the urine sample. Then brisk effervescence of nitrogen appears in the test tube, which indicates presence of urea in the urine. So this is how we detect the presence of urea in urine. So what is urea? Urea is a waste product of many living organisms and is the major organic component of human urine. This is because it is at the end chain of the reaction which break down the amino acid that make up the protein. Okay, it is also known as carbamide, is an organic compound with chemical formula CONH4. This amide has two NH2 group joined by a carbonyl functional group. Urea serves an important role in metabolism of nitrogen containing compound by animal and is the main nitrogen containing substance in the urine of mammals. So this is the protocol and principle of this practical. If you have understand and if you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.